Lanthanide contraction. This is a gradual decrease in atomic and ionic radii of lanthanide element as the atomic number increases across the series. This occurs because the added electrons are filling the 4f orbital, right? The 4f orbitals, which are less effective at shielding the outer electrons from the increasing nuclear charge. So that is typically, generally the definition of lanthanide contraction. Now, let me explain what this exactly means. So generally, this is the structure of an atom, right? So we know that um, this is the nucleus where it is positively charged, and these are the orbitals, right, with electrons. So the nucleus is positive, and it contains protons and neutrons. So it pulls the electrons, the outermost electrons, towards itself. So the effective nuclear charge, the nucleus has a certain force that pulls the electrons from the cells towards the center of the atom. So let's say this is a nucleus with one shell, and this is a, let's say, a nucleus of two shells containing electrons. So as the number of shells increases, we can get to a point where the electrons in the shells will be repelling each other, right? And this nucleus is also trying its best to pull all these electrons towards the center of the atom. So these electrons, as the number of shells increases, the electrons end up repelling each other, right? Which is called the shielding effect. So the electrons in the outermost shell tend to repel each other, getting away from the effective nuclear charge from the center, right? From the center of the atom. So this effective nuclear charge has a greater effect on the atomic and ionic radii. So for the lanthanide, the 4f orbital, the added electrons are being, added into the 4f orbital. So because we are not getting more shells coming together apart from the 4f orbital, so and we know that as the number of electron increases or the atomic number increases, the number of proton increases from the nucleus, therefore increasing the effective nuclear charge. So the effective nuclear charge therefore gets higher and therefore pulls the outermost electron towards itself strongly. So this is why from lanthanide to Lu, the atomic radii or ionic radii decreases, because as we go from left to right, the added electrons are being added onto the 4f orbital, and at the same time effective nuclear charge increasing, pulling the electrons strongly towards the center, causing a decrease in atomic and ionic radii. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video for more educational content like this. You can also refer my channel to your friends. Thank you. Bye.